வெல்கம் டு பாக்கியாஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் கிளாஸ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 1 மார்க் கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர். எந்த யூனிட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா 8th யூனிட். ஸோ 8th யூனிட் நேம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா சாப்டர் நேம் இஸ் ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் அனாலிசிஸ். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1 மார்க், financial statement are meaningful and useful only when they are dash analysis and interpreted. Second one, interpretation of financial statement includes process like dash establishing relationship between the amount data. Third one, trending analysis is significant for dash forecasting and budgeting. Fourth one, the 3 most useful general purpose financial statements for management are dash income statement, balance sheet and statement of change in financial position. Fifth one, in the case of limited company, the terms financial statement includes dash profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account and balance sheet. Sixth one, the term current asset does not include dash long term deferred changes. Seventh one, the following is a recorded fact dash debtors. Eighth one, the term fixed asset include dash furniture. Ninth one, the 2 statement which are generally included in the definition of financial statement are dash income statement and balance sheet. 10th one, the income statement dash the revenue and cost incurred in the process of earning revenues matches. 11th one, balance sheet is a statement or dash of a business at a specific moment of the time, that is financial position. 12th one, asset and liabilities is a balance sheet may be arranged either according dash order or dash order liquidity and performance. 13th one, financial statement disclose only dash fact monetary fact. 14th one, profit and loss account also called as dash statement income statement. 15th one, rearrangement of figure is necessary for dash and dash analysis. Analysis and necessary for analysis and interpretation. 16th one, analysis of financial statement is meant for driving additional information for various dash parties, interested parties. 17th one, financial statement analysis is carried out as for government regulation, that is false. Common science, next one, 18th one, common science statement is a technique used in financial statement analysis, it is true. 19th one, financial statement analysis is performed with the help of various techniques and tools, that is true. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி தொடர்ந்து இந்த வீடியோஸை பாருங்க. தொடர்ந்து இந்த சேனலுக்கு சப்போர்ட்ஸை கொடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.